Why are some of my strawflower plants drying up, turning brown, and dying? The season is not over yet, and the die-off started in August. Same goes for my cucumbers. This is Marie from Selden, New York. Just from looking at the pictures, I wondered if she has an irrigation system because strawflowers are drought-tolerant flowers. So if you give them too much water, and if you look at the stems of some of those plants, yeah, they're dying from the top to the bottom.
Oh, yeah, okay.
You know, so that reminds me of root rot.
Root rot,
you know,
okay.
and then I looked at some of the other plants around that area. Yeah, they look pretty sparse as well. So I'm thinking it could be too much water.
Could be too much water.
Right, it could be too much water.
It could be too much water, yeah,
you know, in that
that,
area.
yeah.
So yeah, you know, check your soil conditions and things like that. But you know, just looking at the strawflowers and just looking at them dying from top to bottom, you know, makes me think about root rot.
Could be root rot, yeah, could be that. Too much water in there.
I think it might be
standing in there and holding the soil, holding a lot of water.
It could be.
Yeah,
So anything you want to add to that, Mary?
I would just think maybe too much water.
Yeah, I definitely think so. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.